Metalswap staking pools tutorial. Hey there, this is Marco from the Metalswap team, and before jumping into this new video, let me remind you all the official social channels where you can find the news about the project and actively participate to the discussion. You can find us on Twitter, Telegram, Discord, Medium, Facebook and Reddit. All the links are down below in the description of this video. Don't forget, of course, the official website Metalswap.finance and this YouTube channel, which I kindly ask you to subscribe to. In today's video, I'm gonna walk you through the first feature that appeared on our web application, which is the staking of the XMT token. Let's head over to our main website, metalswap.finance. Please be always aware of scams and fake projects. Follow our official links in the description below, or even better, take the habit to look for the projects on CoinMarketCap and or CoinGecko and follow the links over there. In the top menu here, we can click on the button Launch Application, and then we land in the subdomain app.metalswap.finance. That's where the business takes place. Here in the upper left corner of the application, of the window, you can choose which chain you would like to operate on. Let's stay on Ethereum for now, and in the top menu here over the pool entry, you can choose from staking pool, iron pools and history. Let's start with this tutorial with the staking pools on Ethereum chain. First thing first, we need to connect to our MetaMask wallet. I have a wallet over here with a 0 point something Ethereum to pay gas fee and 1000 XMT token ready to be staked. I'm gonna click on connect to wallet here over the right upper corner, and you will see that the windows is changed because now it's recognizing my wallet, and red allowance button appeared. As of today, we have two pools on the Ethereum chain to choose from: the 180 days pools and the 360 days pool. In this main window, you can see the main statistics, the main stats. The total amount of XMT represents the total reward that will be distributed to the users that will participate to this pool, which correspond to an annual percentage yield of 106%. This is the total value locked. So as of today, there are 9,300,000 and something XMT in this pool. For the 360 days, we have 20 million XMT total reward with an annual percentage yield of 106%, with almost 18 millions of XMT staked into this pool. Just wow. We have our wallet. Let's go ahead and press the allowance button over this pool, the 180 pools. Let's press allowance. A MetaMask pop-up will appear, and it is going to show us the cost of the transaction, which as of this moment is $8 and something. Let's confirm this. Wait for MetaMask to approve the transaction. That will take just a few seconds, and then after the transaction is confirmed, the red allowance button will change, and we will be able to effectively stake our tokens. The transaction has confirmed, and we can proceed with the last step of the staking procedure. Let's click on the Go Staking, and we will have to choose how many of our XMT balance we want to stake in the pool. Let's say that I want to stake 250 XMT. Let's press Go Staking. Again, a MetaMask pop-up will appear. we can make it a little bigger. It shows us an estimated gas fee of $22. I can even modify, edit suggested gas fee, press high in order to be faster, and confirm the transaction. Again, MetaMask will then place this transaction into the blockchain, and we just have to wait for it. Okay, the transaction has been confirmed now, and we can see that the stats have changed, because now we can read my staking quota and my estimated rewards as of today, to the days the pool will end. Now that we have already placed our XMT tokens into the pools, we don't have to take the allowance step anymore. If we want to add some more XMT tokens to the very same pool, we just have to go with the last step of the tutorial, the go staking step. Okay, let's move on and let's take a look to the iron pools on Ethereum chain. Over the top menu here, let's choose iron pool, and we have a new section of the web application here. Iron pools are a special kind of pools with a minimum granted APY and a fixed slot size. The granted APY, which is the 40% for both of the pools you can see in this section, is possible by capping the maximum amount of XMT that can be put into the pool. As you can see, the 180 days pool, the maximum amount of XMT is 1,500,000. 30,000 per slot times 50 slots maximum, and for the 360 days pool the maximum amount is 2,500,000, because the slot cost is 50,000 XMTs and the slot numbers is still 50. I'm not going to show the steps here because they are exactly the same as we've seen for the normal staking pools. First, you have to go through the allowance step, and then after that the go staking step. Let's now change the chain of our web application and choose Binance Smart Chain, or BNB Smart Chain, as per the latest rebranding. Let's click over here, and now the web application is asking us to switch network on the MetaMask wallet, and we will allow the website to switch the network for us. So automatically MetaMask will be connected to the BSC chain. You can see that is working on the BSC mainnet here over the top of the MetaMask pop-up. In the Binance section of the website, there are just two different staking pools, a 60 days pools and a 210 days pools. Iron pool is actually empty, so there are no special iron pools over the BSC chain. Same procedure as per the Ethereum chain, so we need to make sure that on our MetaMask wallet we have BNB to pay in the gas fee and XMT to effectively stake them. So we have them both, and we can go along and press the allowance button. These are the very same steps we've taken on the Ethereum chain. I'm going to take them again just to see the difference in gas fees and price of the transaction. For the allowance on the Ethereum chain, we spent like $9. Here we are spending 12 cents. Let's confirm the transaction, wait for it to be confirmed, and then we can go along and press go staking. We choose the amount of XMT we want to stake in this pool as per the Ethereum chain. Let's say 250, as we've done before, and press the go staking button. Again, MetaMask wallet, estimated gas fee, just press confirm. This is the moment where you need to confirm on a hardware wallet if you have one, which I highly suggest you to. And pretty fast, we have over here, as per the Ethereum section of the web application, my staking quota and my reward, with the total value locked in the pool. Okay, enough for this video on Metalswap staking pool. Before leaving you, let me remind you once again to subscribe to this YouTube channel and activate the notification to the Metalswap.